Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin, a bit of a forgotten one, really. Bit of a forgotten one because not too many people are watching Litecoin videos. Still though, fairly interesting chart. Not overly excited about this, but here it's a chart where the low could be in. I'm not convinced though. I don't really like the structure of this. Doesn't really look convincing, but the potential is there, the possibility is there, and it has sort of moved in the direction that we anticipated in the last video. But again, I'm not convinced yet. It hasn't moved up enough yet to convince me. It would need to move at least above this ascending trend line. That would be around $75, and it hasn't done that yet. So all of this mess could just be a corrective wave structure which would eventually come down, but at the moment we can count it bullish. So basically we moved up in a wave one here. Problem with that, where we moved up in this leading diagonal, it is only a leading diagonal, which means that this could easily be counted as a corrective wave pattern. A corrective wave pattern to the upside means we could easily come down in an impulse afterwards and make new lows. However, we are currently delivering to the upside, but I'm also going to tell you which levels should now not be broken to the downside to maintain this bullish potential. So again, it's a count where we can focus on the bullish count, but it is not high probability in working out. Okay, so we moved up in a wave one, then we came down in a wave two, basically an ABC structure, and we would now be moving up in a wave three. In the previous video, I showed you the wave 1-2 setup here. Anybody who entered there would have been extremely happy now, I think, because it is following this third wave to the upside. However, we haven't reached it yet, which means we can't really be super convinced that this is already playing out. Well, it is sort of in the direction, but we haven't reached the wave 3 target yet of around $80, the 1.618 FIB extension. But we can say that in this third wave, we have created subwaves. So we can say that we had here a wave 1, this being a wave 2. We are now moving up in 3. There should be a 4 and a 5 to finish off this blue wave 3. All of that happens here in this channel. We briefly dropped out of it, but we've regained it, reclaimed it. And yeah, my view is that this wave 3 is still ongoing. Okay, because if we now go to the 1 hour chart, you can see in there you've got a couple of 1-2-1-2s. Then this is a 3, a 4, and there should be at least one more push up in a 5 of 3. So that could push a bit higher. Yeah, maybe into the region around, where are we now? What was the peak? Yeah, maybe 73, 74 US dollars, right? To the trend line. So one more push to the upside to the trend line would be great and expected. And then a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up to finish off this wave 3 in blue. That should reach around the $80 level mark. But bear in mind, we're just coming below resistance. So this is for me not the place to go in. Yeah, or go long or anything, because we're just below resistance. We're just below this resistance line or the ascending trend line. So again, this is a chart that has bullish potential, but in this possible impulse which is currently forming, we have really only seen a wave 1 and 2, and we are now still in the 3. So we haven't even seen 5 waves yet. So it's not high confidence, but as long as we stay in the channel, that's good. You know, that means we can focus on continuation. And what else? So yeah, this is good. And we need to hold now the last wave 2 low, which is here at $60. If we lose the $60 level, then I think this is all going to break down. Okay, and that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.